Hey everyone, I am so excited to be here today. I'm down in my basement. I'm getting ready to do some powder coating. I've got this beautiful growler and cup set. It comes with 2 cups. And I'm going to be powder coating these and laser etching a logo on them to give away at Maker Central. I'm going to powder coat them a flat black, and then I've got these permanent white markers from Revmark, and they are going to be signed by every content creator that I can find, and they will be given away at Maker Central. Maker Central is in Birmingham.
Accent is Birmingham. Birmingham. It's not ham. Americans might say Birmingham. I'm going to Birmingham. Whereas locals and other English people are going to say Birmingham.
Is in Birmingham in the UK on the 11th and 12th of May. I will be there, as well as hundreds of other content creators. I'm also bringing my wife Jody, aka Mrs. Mancrafting, and I can't wait to see all of you there. So let's get started. All right, I'm going to go through this as quickly as I can. Let's start off with Colin Furs, Bobby Duke Arts, Bob from I Like to Make Stuff, Jimmy DeResta, Blackbeard Projects, Homemade Modern, April Wilkerson, Modern Builds, James Bruton, Alan Pan, Jaco Whatever, Christiana from Get Hands Dirty, Nick Zametti, Laura Kampf, Carl Jacobson, Paul Jackman, Matt Cremona, I Jessup, Charlie the Maker, Alexander Clement, Yuval Lahav, Wood Turning with Yuval, Dies in Every Film Customs, Jimson Stuff, The Blind Wood Turner, Temple Boy Turnings, The Poultry People, JP Woodwork, Turning Works, Average Joe's Joinery, The Crafts Maiden, Chris Cute's not coming, Mancrafting, Atelier Cabinet Makers, Make It With Dad, Brain Fizz, Moonshine Metalworks, KK Make, Sawblade Projects, Works by Solo, Steven 8x6 Workshop, Steven's 8x6 Workshop, Badger Workshop, Al's Hack Shack, Susan Gardner, Billson Workshop, The Shades Workshop, Matt Estley, Sean Evely, John Clothier, Paige Peacock, WH Creations, Jay Makes, Sam Fowler, Peter Millard, Goes Forth Handyman, Wayne the Woodturner, Tinker UK, Tinkerneering, Lee Stauffer, Colvert Craft, The Carpenter's Daughter, Scott Grove from Imagine Grove, G Customs, Gustav, Jenny Swiss, Sebastian Olieri, Oda Joanna, Make It Soph, LGVS, Artfully Rogue, Sabrana Woodcraft, Joe Makes, Beaks Builds, Ben Crow, Oliver Verdier, The Woodgeneer, Luke Makes, Brothers Make, Dave G Designs, Crafts with Ellen, Heike Nominanen, Mahan Woodworks, Graz Makes, Chris from Make Everything, Zach Higgins from NZ Wood Turning, JP Makes, Highland Boxes, Andy Morris, Dirty Shed Creations, James Garwood Woodworking, Wood by Wright, James Wright, Handmade Extreme, Barry Custom, James from Malton Make, Make and Create, Roca KRG, Borg 3D, Kelski, The Wood Barber, The Beard by 16, PF Wood Turning, Caitlin the Cat, E.S. Artifice, Neil Lovegrove, Errant Crafters, Manor Customs, Yuri Touchman, S.K. Crafts, The Practical Engineer, Richard Martin, Samurai Carpenter, Ruboa Arts, Brett McPhee, Thunkworks Matt, Figments Made, Dream It Make It, The Red Smith, Jake Thompson from Northside Custom Crafts, Maker Geek, Manor Wood, Smug Wood, The Small Shed, Mr. Jeffrey Smith, Derek from Malden, Garage Avenger, The Moose Shop, Mike Moose, Jason Andrews, Wood Turning by Alan Scannell, Pimaroni, Andrew Berry Jewelry, Mike Walt, Blue Bear Designs, Be Inspired, Wood by Alex, Chadi Chabib, Barnaby Dixon, Woodworking UK, Jonathan Whitaker, The Maker Monster, Ivan Miranda, Dubious Engineering, Frank's Shed, Wonky Workshop, The BC Woodworks, The New Kitchen Company, Hand Tool Rescue, Chop with Chris, Cactus Workshop, Estefany Explains It All, Nerd Forge, Annabee Workshop, Man Cave Makings, Andy Berkey, Marcel Tugels, I know Marcel, Courage Woodworks, Paul Pinto, Huey Lionsheart, and there's a few here at the end. Let's see. Peter Brown's not going to make it. Izzy Swan's not going to make it. Heath Knuckles, and apparently Johnny Brook. Sorry to hear that, guys.
You touch me so tenderly. I want you tremendously.
Well, there are a lot of makers here that I can't wait to see. Some I've already met, and some I've never met. Tell me who your favorite is down in the comments below. Who is it that you absolutely do not want to miss hanging out with, meeting, getting their autograph, whatever it is? I'd love to know. So put a comment down below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you're having a great day.